Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR codes using your XIAOMI 15T. You can scan QR codes on your XIAOMI 15T using both dedicated scanner application or your camera app. So, in the library of your applications, you should find scanner application that has this icon. And now let's align the camera over the QR code that you wish to scan. So let me take my box, and then you have to point the camera on this QR code, and the application will automatically detect your QR code, and it will provide you a link or some information to review. You can open it in your browser, or also let me show you how do you scan your QR codes with your camera application. The process is absolutely the same. So open your camera, then I will take my box, then you want to point the camera on your QR code that you wish to scan, and as you can see on your screen of your camera, you will see this QR code icon right here. So you want to tap it, and as well you will see results, and you can proceed with it. You can open this link in your browser or review whatever information that is in that QR code. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.